Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Give me the quick overview of this at-home gym equipment that allows you to do leg extensions and leg curls all in one convenient piece of equipment. Now, the first thing to note is this is like a professional grade gym equipment that the cool part is that you can assemble it and use it at home. This is like very legit. It's kind of heavy. To start off with that, when it comes in a pretty sizable box, kind of two person type thing because of the weight of this. I believe this is some type of like powder coated steel. It's got some serious weight to it, enough where it's definitely more of a two-person job. So just want to make sure that's very clear. Assembly time, this comes in a big box. Assembly time is probably about 1 hour and 15 minutes, one person. All the tools are included, so you don't need any additional tools. It has not a too big of a footprint that takes up. It's about as compact as they're going to see it in this example. This is sort of like max compact area. The weight capacity, so when putting weights on there, weights do not come with this. This can handle up to 200 pounds worth of plates. And they can go here, or they can even go and be stored on the actual device. Poles will hold either a 2-inch, as far as the inside diameter of the weight plate, or a 1-inch. And they both come either a 1-inch or 2-inch clips to hold the weights on there, which is kind of cool. The padding here for the shins as well as the above thighs is covered in like this leather tight material, and padding's really solid. You don't have any, doesn't really feel like you have pressure points on it because the foam padding that's inside is not durable enough, so which is also kind of cool. There are grips for the seated position, and I'll share in the laying down position. So there are kind of these rubberized grips. Then the seat backs and the seat bottom that comes with this are also cushioned in a leather type material that's covering them. This is the leg extension. Cool part is that you have, I don't know, I think it's like 15 or so different positions. So lock, lock, lock. There are I think it's about 15 or so different positions based on the user's preference to kind of, figure out where you want to start and then where you want to end. Then you also have some fine tuning adjustments here with a pull of a pin, really high quality stuff, where you can kind of really fine tune exactly where you want the padding to fall on the shin right above the ankle. Another cool part is that from locking the user in, you have this piece of equipment right here. This looks to be like a stainless steel, pretty heavy gauge. Comes off very easily. It has these quick release pull pins. Put it in place, slide it down where you want it to go, and then you're locked in. So in this position here, you really don't even need the hand grips. It is there just because, especially if you're going 200 pounds and it gets kind of heavy, you are locked in. The thighs, the top part of the quads are locked in versus not having that, and then you are 100% going to have to hold on, to these grips, which you definitely could do that as well. But having this in there just allows for some more comfort, and it takes pressure off the knee area when doing this, because you can kind of like get all the fine-tuned adjustments where you want to go, and then you're kind of locked in there. So that was kind of cool, a little unexpected benefit when I was using this. Oh, never had that option before on gym equipment. So definitely very, very nice. Now to switch from this position into a leg curl position, pretty simple. Just take this off, you pull the pin, find where you want it to go. If this needs to be adjusted, that can be done as well. This also has adjustments, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different positions. So if you wanted to go in a still at an incline, you could do that. If you're doing leg curls all the way down flat, it's kind of like a slight decline. You have grips here, and then you can go about doing the curls just like this. Having the quick release pins is pretty convenient, especially when you're seated in it. You can adjust it and kind of have the ability to, while seated on it, lock yourself in. So this is kind of utilizing the different locking positions, whether you're going to go completely vertical. This is also kind of cool having those options. So from an at-home gym standpoint, if user had dumbbells or something else, you have an option kind of sit here and doing like military press straight over the head with additional dumbbells that don't come with this. But there's some additional uses the user might decide to use because of the extra movement that comes along with this added bench. A close-up of the machine. So we got here, this is the brand. You can see this, the padding here, nice quality. Also, you can see here some close-up of the padding on this. It's got caps on both sides. This is a close-up of the grip handle here, as well as here. So when you're laying down, you're gripping there. When you're seated here, you're gripping here. This shows the, I believe this is stainless steel, all the different options to kind of adjust where this would sit on top of the user's thighs, quads. This shows a quick release here, going around on this side. That's the quick release there as well. Shows you all the different positions going all the way down. Here shows an example of the quick release here on this. Just pull that out. You can adjust all the way around. So you have a lot of options here as far as the final position of this padding. Here shows all the different positions here. So you have pretty much from here all the way up. So going all the way up would allow you to be fully vertical and then kind of doing just a light movement as far as your leg curl. You have these hard rubber bases all the way around, all four corners. This is a close-up of the mounts here for the weights, the clips. These slide off, and it does come with tools to adjust. Right there, you can see there's a hex screw slides off, and then you have the 1-inch bar, and the 1-inch bar attaches with 2 of these. This also can be adjusted, so you have your place to store your weights and the place to use your weights. This shows your cable assembly. This can be fine-tuned, adjusted all the way around. Just a solid piece of home gym equipment. Really, really impressive. Something definitely would see in a regular gym. So if looking for a piece of home equipment that really feels like you're in a professional gym as far as the quality of piece of machinery you're using, this is fantastic. Full disclosure, this company sent this to me. It said, Ryan, could you do a little overview, a little tutorial? Tell us what you think about our leg extension and leg curl piece of gym equipment. Hopefully, any and all your questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.